Welcome to Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Blender, a powerful open-source software for 3D modeling, animation, and more. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this video will guide you through downloading, installing, and understanding the Blender interface. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your first 3D modeling project. So, let's get started. Downloading Blender. Before we dive into the interface, let's get Blender installed on your computer. To download Blender, head over to the official website, www.blender.org. Once there, click on the Download Blender button, which will automatically detect the best version for your operating system, whether you're using Windows, macOS, or Linux. Click the button and the download will begin. Once it's complete, we can move on to the installation process. Installing Blender. Now that the Blender installer has downloaded, let's open the file. On Windows, double-click the .exe file you just downloaded. If you're using macOS, open the .bem file. The installer will guide you through the setup process. Just follow the on-screen prompts, select the installation directory, the default location works fine, and click Install. The installation will take just a few moments, and once it's finished, click Finish to complete the installation. Blender is now installed and ready to launch. Launching Blender for the first time. Let's open Blender. The first time you launch the software, you'll see a welcome screen that lets you configure preferences and settings. You can choose your preferences here, but don't worry, we'll cover those in detail later. For now, go ahead and click on New File to start working with a fresh scene. Blender Interface Overview. Now, let's take a look at the Blender interface. When you first open Blender, you're greeted by several key sections. On the left side, you have the Tools shelf with tools for object manipulation, transformations, and more. At the top, you'll find the header, where you can access different menus and options. In the center, the 3D viewport is where you'll be working with your 3D objects. On the right, you have the Properties panel, which is where you can modify the properties of your object's materials and more. At the bottom, there's the timeline for animations. Finally, the outliner, located in the top right, shows a list of all the objects in your scene. Customizing the workspace. Blender allows you to customize the workspace to fit your needs. You can rearrange panels, resize sections, and even split the workspace into multiple areas. To split a panel, simply hover your cursor over the corner of any panel until it changes, then click and drag to split it. Blender also has various predefined workspaces that you can switch between, such as modeling, sculpting, and animation, depending on what you're working on. And that's it. You've just installed Blender, and we've taken a quick tour of the interface. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into customizing the workspace and exploring more advanced tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, good luck and peace.